Hello, everybody, and welcome back once again to our live session of English grammar. Students, today I am going to explain you the topic articles. There are three articles in English, and they are a and the. A and an. These two are called as indefinite articles, and the is called as definite article. You know that from A to Z there are 26 letters in English, and out of these 26 letters A, E, I, O, U, these 5 letters are called as vowels, and other than these 5 letters remaining 21 letters are called as consonants. So first I am going to explain you the rules of the articles A and an. A singular countable noun which begins with a consonant letter takes the article a before it. What are the criteria? It should be singular, it should be countable, and it should be a common noun. If any word meets these three criteria, then what we have to do? We have to use the article a before such words. For example, see here, a bat, a pen, a rat, a cat. So you can see that all these words are singular, all these words are common nouns, and all these words are beginning with consonant letters. Now let us see the rule of article an. A singular, countable, common noun which begins with a vowel letter takes the article an before it. For example, an apple, an egg, an ink pot, an orange, an umbrella. You can see that all these words here are beginning with vowel letters A, E, I, O, U. So a singular, countable, common noun which begins with a vowel letter takes the article an. So this is the general rule, that before the word beginning with vowel we have to use an, and before the word beginning with consonant we have to use a. But there are some exceptions to these rules, so I'll explain those exceptions also. Let us see here. Now see these words: our, honest man. Now the word our starts with H. Actually, as per the rule, H is consonant. But even if it is consonant, we do not pronounce it as hover. We have to pronounce it as our. Which sound is coming? I'll explain in Marathi. See here. While pronouncing this word, which sound is coming? Sound of A is coming first. So even if the letter H is consonant, but sound A is vowel, and that's why what we have to do? Here we have to use and. Here also, in honest man, we do not pronounce it as honest man. How do we pronounce it? We pronounce it as honest. Again the sound of O is there. So here also what we have to do? We have to use and. So the rule is that some words, they begin with the consonant letter H, but they sound like vowels, and that's why what we have to do? Before such words we have to use the article and. Now one more rule is there. See these words: MA, MCOM, MLA, MBBS, See, all these words are starting with the letter M, and actually letter M is consonant. But even if the letter M is consonant, here what we have to do, we have to use the article and. Because how do we pronounce it? M-A. I'll explain in Marathi. See, M-A. So which sound is coming first? The sound of A is coming first. For example, see here, monkey. The word monkey takes the article A. Actually, monkey is also starting with A, and MA, MCOM, MLA, MBBS. These words are also starting with M. But before monkey, we have to use the article A, and before all these words, we have to use the article N. Because here, in the pronunciation of monkey, which sound is coming first? Sound of M is there, and here sound of A is there. Now see one more rule. European University. So although both these words are beginning with vowels, but here what we have to do, we have to use the article A before them. A European, a university. Because here U is sounding like U. When U sounds like U, we have to consider it as consonant. And when U sounds like O, then we have to consider it as vowel. For example, the word umbrella. In umbrella also U is there, in university also O is there. In umbrella what we have to do, we have to use the article and U is there, because here U is sounding like O. And in the word university, here also U is there, but here we have to use the article A, because here U sounds like U. So when U sounds like U, we have to consider it as consonant, and when U sounds like O, then we have to consider like O. Now after finishing the rules of A and, let us see the rules of the article the. The first important rule of the article the is that the is used before the geographical names, such as the names of rivers, seas, sun, moon, mountains. Before such words, we have to use the article the. For example, the sun, the moon, the sky, the Sahara Desert, the Ganga, the Yamuna. Then let me explain the next rule of the article the. Suppose if a common noun is used for two times. For example, I have a pen. If I have to say two sentences about this pen, then how will I say? First I will say this is a pen. And if I want to say the one more sentence about the same pen, then I have to say the pen is blue. I have a pen, the pen is blue. So if a common noun is used two times, then before using it second time, what we have to do? We have to use the article the. Then one more rule of article the is that the is used before the third forms of adjective. Whenever we use third form of the adjective, we have to use the article the before them. For example, the strongest, the best, the most important, the most handsome. One more rule of article the is that article the is used before the names of musical instrument. For example, the flute, the tabla, the piano. Okay. Then article the we have to use before the names of religious books. For example, the Bible. Now one more rule of article the is there. Suppose if we are mentioning a particular place or thing, then before the name of that particular thing, we have to use the article the. For example, I can say I have seen a garden. But suppose I am speaking about the garden of Aurangabad, then what happens? Then it becomes particular thing. So I have to say I have seen the garden of Aurangabad. So what we have to do before the names of particular things, we have to use the article the. One more rule of article the is that if a common noun is used to represent a group of things or animals, then before such words we have to use the article the. For example, the rose is a beautiful flower. Is it there that only one rose is beautiful? No. All the roses are beautiful. So here by mentioning one rose, actually we are representing all the roses. So when a common noun is used to represent the entire group of things or animals, then we have to use the article the. So sentences will be like this. The rose is a beautiful flower. The dog is a faithful animal. It is not that only one dog is faithful, all the dogs are faithful. So, here by mentioning one dog, we want to say that all the dogs are faithful. So, remember that whenever a common noun is used to represent a group of things or animals, then we have to use the article the. Regarding the article though, one more important point is there. Students, whenever we use any adjective before the article though, means whenever we use the article before any adjective, what is it means? It means the people. For example, black is an adjective. If I say the word the black means black people. Rich is an adjective. If I use the article the before the adjective rich, the rich means rich people. Poor is an adjective. If I use the article the before the adjective poor, then the poor means poor people. So remember that whenever we use the article the before any adjective, then it gives the meaning as people. So students, I hope that you have understood all these rules of articles. Now let us meet in a new session with a new topic. Till then, it's goodbye.